Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss another topic of the light, reflection of light. When light falls on the surface of an object, it may be absorbed, transmitted or reflected. तो जब किसी भी चीज पे रोशनी पड़ती है या किसी भी चीज पे रोशनी गिरती है तो ये रोशनी जो है कुछ एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है, कुछ ट्रांसमिट हो जाती है और कुछ रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है। जो चीजें ब्लैक होती है या जिनकी अपीयरेंस ब्लैक होती है वो सारी की सारी रेज तकरीबन एब्जॉर्ब ही करती है। जैसे कि आपके पास ब्लैक बोर्ड है तो ब्लैक बोर्ड क्या करता है, जो भी ब्लैक बोर्ड पे रेज गिरती है, जो भी ब्लैक बोर्ड पे रेज पड़ती है वो मोस्ट ऑफ द रेज आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच हैव ब्लैक अपीयरेंस। इसके बाद आ गया ट्रांसमिटेड। तो जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, नपास होने नहीं देते, उनको हम ओपेक चीजें भी कहते हैं। इसके अलावा हमारे पास है ट्रांसमिटेड। ट्रांसमिशन कौन सा है? अब जो रेज एक ट्रांसपेरेंट चीज में पास हो जाती है, एक ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट से पास होती है, जैसे कि आपके पास एक गिलास शीट है। अब गिलास शीट का मामला क्या है, जो गिलास शीट पे रेज गिरती है तो वो मोस्टली ट्रांसमिट हो जाती है, यानी कि पास हो जाती है। हाँ, ये अलग बात है कि पास होते हुए जब उनका मीडियम चेंज होता है तो वहां पे वो थोड़ा सा अपना पाथ बदल देते हैं, जिसको हम रिफ्रैक्शन कहते हैं। वो एक अलग सा टॉपिक है, वो हम अलग डिस्कस करेंगे। कहने की बात यह है कि कहने का मतलब यह है कि जो चीजें ट्रांसपेरेंट होती है, जब उनमें से लाइट गुजरती है, उनमें से जब उन पे लाइट पड़ती है तो वो चीजों को ट्रांसमिट करता है, वो लाइट को ट्रांसमिट करता है। अब आ गई बात रिफ्लेक्शन की। तो रिफ्लेक्शन क्या है? तो जब पॉलिश्ड सरफेसेस जो होती है, जो मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो होते हैं, जब मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स जब उन पे रोशनी पड़ती है तो वो चीजें क्या करती है, वो इस रोशनी को स्ट्राइक बैक करता है, वो इस रोशनी को वापस सेंड बैक करता है। तो रिफ्लेक्शन इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ सेंडिंग बैक ऑफ लाइट रेज which fall on the surface of an object। तो रिफ्लेक्शन का मतलब यह है कि जब सूरज की किरणें ऑब्जेक्ट्स पे पड़ती है तो ऑब्जेक्ट क्या करता है, मोस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो इस रोशनी को वापस सेंड बैक करते हैं, जिसको हम रिफ्लेक्शन कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज अ प्लेन मिरर। दिस इज अ प्लेन मिरर। हियर we have a ray of light. This ray of light is incident at point O. Now it will be reflected AO. It is the ray which is incident on this plane mirror. Now this ray of light will be reflected in another direction, in another path. This ray which is reflected in another direction, this is called a reflected ray, and this is called an incident ray. Here we have a ray of light. It follows, it strikes at the point O and it is sent back along the different path. Now clear, this is reflection of light. Now most of the objects which have polished surface, most of the objects which are lustrous, they reflect most of the light. Silver is the best reflector of light. Silver is the best reflector of light. We have a plane mirror. It reflects 95% of the rays. 95% of the rays falling on the plane mirror are reflected. This reflection of light occurs according to certain laws, which are called the laws of reflection. Before going to the laws of reflection, we must understand some terms related to these laws. For example, this is your plane mirror. A plane mirror is a simple sheet or simple transparent sheet of glass which is polished on the one side. Now, diagrammatically, a plane mirror is represented by a straight line. Here we have a straight line with these short oblique lines on one side. These short oblique lines represent the polished surface, represent the shaded surface, and this front side represents the reflecting surface. Now we have a ray, incident ray AO. AO. This is the incident ray. So a ray of light which is falling on this mirror, which is falling on an object, that is called incident ray. Now this incident ray is reflected, is sent back in another direction. It is reflected in another direction, in another path, and this ray is called the reflected ray. So we have a reflected ray. OB is the reflected ray, AO is the incident ray, and O is the point of incidence. The point of incidence is the point where the incident ray strikes, where the incident ray falls. Now we will have a perpendicular. We will have a line which is perpendicular on point of incidence. So this line is called the normal. This line is called a normal. So normal is a line which is perpendicular on the point of incidence. So we have terms like incident ray, IR, incident ray, this is the ray of light which strikes the mirror. Reflected ray, this is the ray which is sent back by the mirror. And now we will have a normal, it is a line which is perpendicular on the point of incidence. And point of incidence is the point where the incident ray falls. These are all the terms. Now we will have two angles. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. And another angle here we have is between the normal and the reflected ray, and this angle is called the angle of reflection. So when you understand these terms, so you are aware of these terms. Now we will go to the laws of reflection. The first law of reflection says that incident ray, normal line and reflected ray at the point of incidence. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence always lie on a same plane, like on the plane of blackboard, on the plane of this whiteboard. None of the rays is going down the whiteboard, none of the rays is coming up the whiteboard. All of the rays are on the, all of these are incident ray normal as well as reflected ray. All are on the same plane. None of these is going up or none of these is going down the whiteboard. So this is the first law. The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence always lie on a same plane. Now second law states that angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. For example, if we have angle of incidence of 40 degrees, so according to the second law, the angle of reflection must be 40 degrees. If the whole angle is between incident ray and the reflected ray, if there is the angle of 180 degree, it means that 90 degree we will have angle of reflection and 90 degree we will have angle of incidence. So let us recapitulate this whole topic very quickly. What is reflection? Reflection is the process of sending back of light rays when they fall on the surface of an object. What is incident ray? A ray of light which strikes the plane mirror, which strikes the object, that is called incident ray. And the ray which is sent back, that's called a reflected ray. Normal, it is a line which is perpendicular on the point of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle between the normal and the incident ray. Angle of reflection, it is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal. So there are two laws of reflection. According to the first law, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence always lie on the same plane. Similarly, we have second law, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and do share the video please.